Alright, pull up Tube Investments and Shanthi Gears, both of them. You just saw those flashes earlier on your screens. Tube Investments is up 7.3% at 157. Shanthi Gears also for itself is in the green by a good 5% The stock's currently, as it opened up for trade, was closer to 63 rupees. Stock today is done well on the back of the news that Tube Investments is picking up the entire promoter stake of 44.12% from Shanthi Gears, a controlling stake there. That's Shanthi Gears locked up on upper circuit. The management of Tube Investments is joining in right now. Mr. L. Ramkumar, the MD of Tube Investments, is here with us on the phone line from Chennai. Mr. Ramkumar, thanks very much for joining in. Would you want to highlight for us the total quantum that you're paying? I mean, 81 rupees per share. That's about 300 odd crores that you're paying for this stake?
Yeah. For the 44% stake, we'll be paying 292 crores. Okay. And then we'll also have to make a open offer as per the regulations.
What was, what are the synergies here with Shanthi Gears?
See, we are already into power transmission in terms of making chains and sprockets. So we want to redefine our business as power transmission business, which means you need to get into things that do the drive and stuff like that, which includes the gearbox. So we believe that there will be a lot of synergy in terms of working with various industrial companies.
All right, and this would add on significantly for you as well. I mean, in 2011, 2012, EBITDA for Shanthi Gears was about 65 odd crore rupees. I mean, that's a constant addition that you're seeing for yourself as well.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
In terms of the financials, I mean, that will, overall, since it's a debt-free company, does it work out well for you in terms of investments as well?
Debt-free company, and it's a fairly profitable company with a fairly good leadership position in its businesses.
All right. Post this acquisition, what changes in terms of the management as well? I mean,
obviously, after the transaction is over, I think we will have to relook at the top management and reconstitution of the board and stuff like that, which will happen at the appropriate time after all the formalities are over.
Overall, the product line, like you said, you were also pretty much in the similar business, but aside of that, what more does Shanthi Gears bring on the table in terms of different product lines?
See, we have been also largely focused on auto, so we have been looking at opportunities in non-auto sector, which will de-risk our business from automotive, and Shanthi Gears is catering to a wide variety of industries, so we will get the benefit of the growth in the other sectors as well.
Right, Mr. Ramkumar, what's the timeline like over which this entire process is expected to be completed?
I think it will happen within 60 days. There are some statutory approvals and stuff like that, all that will get done, and then the transaction will get over.
All right, that's 60 days, if I heard you right.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Ramkumar, thanks very much for joining and really appreciate you taking out the time. That's the management at Tube Investments. They're acquiring a 44.12% stake in Shanthi Gears. That's the entire promoter stake, paying about 292 odd crore rupees. That's the premium to the current market price of 63 rupees. They're paying about 81, 82 odd rupees for that stake that they're acquiring. Shanthi Gears locked up on upper circuit as well. Let's quickly look at what's happening to the markets now. As